Welcome to Dobby's Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf, and this is what's in my toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. So let's find out what's in my toolbox today. In this installment we have this set of long reach pliers. So we have a 20-degree offset, a straight set of long pliers, a 45, a 90, and then these ring pliers. These are great for getting spark plugs off, so I'll show you this set first. Great for getting on the spark plug wires and plugging them out. You have like a 20-degree angle too, so that's really helpful, gives you lots of leverage. Then we have this 90-degree set. Uses quite a fair bit, they're quite good for gripping. They've got fairly decent teeth in them as well. And then the 45 again. Very handy, very comfortable with the handles. Get a nice good grip with one hand. Yeah, they're fairly good. And then the straight ones. These are a bit stiff. I haven't used these ones as much as the others just yet. Again, used for reaching up, getting those long, hard to reach fasteners and stuff that you need to whip out. Also great for hose clamp pliers. If you can't get any tools up there, just reach up and pop it off with that. And then we have this lovely 20-degree offset as well. So the offset is literally this curve here. You can see that's 20, and then there's a 45. And then the 90. To do all sorts of various angles. So it's around about 30 centimeters long for the set of pliers. They have these lovely comfort grip handles, which are fairly comfortable, quite good, especially when it's oily. Yeah, they are, as I said, the straight ones seem to be the longest set. This is a 45 centimeter by 30 centimeter mat. And you can see it reaches enough the whole length of it. I see probably about 28 centimeters long, this one. Yeah, they're pretty good. Got nice good teeth. You can see that very well on there. Yeah, they are very pretty handy for stuff. You quickly grab this old fuse. You can see. Pretty good. Teeth are digging quite well. So my final thoughts on this set. They are really handy, particularly the O-ring ones. Great for pulling out spark plug wires. Especially if they break off. Get this on there, pluck out the old socket. Really good. Really great for getting into those tight to reach spaces. These are really good for hose clamps, are the 90-degree ones. Straight ones are good for other jobs, long reach jobs. Holding stuff. I haven't really used the 45s, the 20s just yet. I haven't used the straight sleeve that much, but overall I've used them enough to get a good feel of them, and that's why I'm going to give them a 3-spanner rating. It'll pop up here as always. Really quite pleased with them. I wish the handles were slightly longer, but they are robust. They could have been a couple of inches, an inch longer maybe, they would have been brilliant, and I would have given them 4 spanners. But apart from that, I really enjoy using them, really handy to have, especially when you're working in tight quarters. If you need a set of long reach pliers, pick these up. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.